Hello, and welcome to the GBC Productions channel. This is episode 37. In this video, I'll be taking apart an old answering machine. This one is a Panasonic model KX 1624 dual microcassette answering machine. Here's the two tape mechanisms, one for the outgoing message and one for the incoming messages. Your standard answering machine control buttons. On this side we have remote code, not sure what that means. Power button. Volume control on the other side. And then we have record time settings and number of rings. Switch on the back here says CPC, not sure what that means either. And then your telephone line in and out and a power jack. Here's a serial number, but I don't think it'll show up on camera. While I'm in here, I'm going to try to find a date code, find out when this thing was made. So now let's take some screws out, take the cover off, and see what made this thing tick back in its days. And we're in. There's a broken belt hanging out here. Feels like it's modular, it just came apart fairly easily. There's a connector that just came undone when I pulled the board up. And then the audio cables for the two tape decks disconnect right off the board. Here's the other belt that's just about to break, and there it broke. I'll just carefully disconnect the speaker. Now I'm going to get the mechanism out of here. I want to get the tape heads out of it. Here's the mechanical goodness. Now this is interesting. That has like a click latch on that left deck, but it doesn't have it on the right one. It clicks like a ballpoint pen. Pinch rollers still seem to be in pretty good condition. Now set this aside and let's go back to looking at the circuit board. Now with the case out of the way, let's take a look at everything. It's a dual 7-segment LED display. There's a memory capacitor that will store at least number of messages, possibly date and time, if this machine was capable of it at the time. This board is fried. You can see how that one piece is loose. And the board is quite dark on this side. And it even still smells burnt. Okay, I'm seeing a date code on this chip of 1987. 15th week of 87. I find it interesting that this is a single-sided board and a lot of stuff is surface mounted. Nothing printed on this side of the board. I find this is very interesting construction. Alright, well, there we go. There's everything out of it. Don't forget to subscribe for more, mash that like button, and comment below. Until next time, this is Uncle D from GBC Productions, signing off.